Meet the future of breakfast with the revolution R180 Connect Plus Smart Toaster, the world's most advanced toaster that combines smart technology with precision toasting. Featuring a sleek touchscreen, lightning-fast heating, and smart algorithms, this toaster isn't just about making toast, it's about making every morning effortless, consistent, and perfectly crisp. More possibilities with Plus. The R180 Connect Plus unlocks toasting algorithms for 38 bread types, including a dedicated gluten-free mode and warming rack mode. The built-in digital photo frame displays up to 25 of your favorite images, making it a statement piece even when not in use. Faster and tastier. New InstaGLO 2.0 is the only heating technology that reaches full heat in just 2 seconds. It sears the outside to lock in flavor and prevent drying out. Your bread will get crispy on the outside, yet stay soft and delicious on the inside. It's like searing a steak, but for bread. Just 3 taps, get perfect results with just 3 taps. Choose your bread type, browning level, and whether it's fresh, frozen, or a reheat. The full-color touchscreen shows clear options and remembers your last setting. No trial and error. Just smart, simple toasting. Toasty press and warming rack. The TASTIER press delivers crispy, melty sandwiches using just the toaster's heat. Make grilled cheese, paninis, and quesadillas with no butter or oil. Just tap TASTIER mode and click start. The warming rack lets you easily warm and crisp. Smart connectivity. Start your day without your phone. Wi-Fi connectivity auto-sets your clock and shows the updated weather forecast while you make breakfast. The R180 Connect also reminds you when you need to clean your crumb tray. Consistently perfect toast. Get consistently perfect results with toasting algorithms for dozens of bread types. Sensors adjust in real time to toast bread, bagels, waffles, and more exactly how you want them. Extra wide slots fit thick slices and bagels with ease. Bring innovation to your countertop with the revolution R180 Connect Plus Smart Toaster. From artisan breads to frozen waffles, it toasts smarter, faster, and better than ever. Once you experience the future of breakfast, there's no going back. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.